Have we lost the ability to be spontaneous? Many times, simple moments in familiar places can be just as meaningful as grand adventures. I believe that real connection comes from slowing down. Sometimes you just need to get out, no plans required. So come and join us at this place today, a place we have been many times before. Perhaps today when you visit with us, you too may see it through new eyes.
So we are heading out to Main Range National Park today. We're headed out that way today because we've just been flat out. You at work, me at work, and just getting out of the house to go and do something back in nature is well overdue.
Yeah.
Like, seriously, I'm not a nice person when I haven't been in the outdoors for a bit. Not an awful person, but like,
I'm not saying a thing, bro. Here.
oh man,
Married way too long for that.
Look, let's just say this, I'm a better person when I have been outdoors doing something active and been in nature, and it's been a few weeks.
It's almost impossible to be in a place like this and remain unchanged. Your senses are soothed and elevated all at once, and you can feel the shift at a molecular level. This state should be normal for us, but instead we now have to seek it out. In this place here, everything seems to make sense.
Well, maybe. It just feels the same.
Mm-hmm.
But I think the other one further down is the one we went to, because it wasn't far from Arakaria. I remember getting in the car and going, oh, what's that? We are doing the up.
Yeah, we are.
That's pretty impressive.
That's awesome. That was worth it.
Oh, wow. Can I get in so I can do something? Cheers, guys.
You just wake up in the morning and go, right, let's go.
That's right. And it's nice.
Grab your bag and then forget your GPS
and your snake
still
bandage
here.
in a place where we've seen the most snakes ever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Not today though.
Not today. We have not seen one snake today.
No.
And not a lot of wildlife, to be honest.
No, you got old mate Currawong here hanging around, just looking hopeful, but not like last time we were here. But boy, it's nice and relaxing here.
Yeah. I've needed this all week.
It's good just to sit here and just chill.
Well, what do you guys reckon? Do you think that people overplan stuff nowadays? That they just need to be a bit more spontaneous?
Yes, you will forget stuff. Guaranteed.
And I think it stops some people from getting out and actually doing things. So they feel like if they can't get everything right and the weather's not perfect and whatever, then they just don't go.
Yeah.
You know,
it's all too hard.
And I see a lot of people at the moment chatting online about getting away for Easter.
Yeah.
And they have this laundry list of things that they want to go. So they want, and this is what they want, right? They want to go camping where there's hardly any other people, but they want toilets, showers, somewhere they can take their dog, somewhere with a swimming hole. You know, this massive list of stuff.
A million other people all doing the same.
Yeah, and you can't have your foot in both camps. You can't have no people and be near amenities because that's where everybody is.
Yeah.
So being intentional about getting out like this is going to become more and more important for us, I reckon.
Yeah, I think realistically for us over the next little while, it'll be just trips like this.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
And we need to do it. We can't just we'll just won't.
So we think maybe it's not about where you go and how you do it, it's just the fact that you go.
I'm so relaxed here.
I know. Don nearly fell asleep in his chair while the tea was boiling. It was so funny. I looked over and because he had his dark glasses on, he was just chilling out in his thing. I'm like, no, his breathing is even. I'm pretty sure that he's like out to it. You'd literally been sitting there like 5 minutes. Yep. I can't do that. I can't just switch off like that.
Oh, I can here.
You've always been able to do that though. I would love that superpower. So Don's having a little snooze in his chair, and because I can't sit still, let's go check out the creek. It's the first day of autumn here, and the sun is still shining and it's still beautiful out. There's a little crossing over here where the cars go through. You might see someone shortly cut through there. But this creek here is just beautiful just for sitting in. It's not great for swimming, obviously. It's really shallow, but it's crystal clear and lovely.
Righto, well that's that. We've had I've had a little snooze. You've had a sit in the water.
Yeah, I went exploring a bit. It was nice.
So, been there, done that. Now we'll go home and enter the fray again for another fun week full of excitement and cool stuff.
Yeah. My head feels better already.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. We can take on the next week now. So yeah, that's that. See us next time. Maybe, don't hold your breath though. Maybe next time might be me telling you about the first flight of Frankenstein. But don't hold your breath. We'll see.
Yeah, you might suffocate.
There could be a cyclone stopping it. It could be all sorts of other things. But that's the thought and plan.
Yeah.
All right.
See you later, guys. I didn't want my camera to die.
Not like that, getting smashed against a rock.
And I forgot my clip today, so it can't go onto here. That would be perfect, because then it's like you can use your hands
out.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there is a thing about not being prepared, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's all right. We're here doing it.
You never do anything otherwise.
Yeah.